Good afternoon. I am in the beautiful suburb of Bushland Beach, Queensland. Postcode 4818. This is 17 Baird Court, Baird, at Bushland Beach. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a 2-car garage, automatic roller door. Full security screens throughout this home. It is a rendered blockwork home. It's been beautifully put together. In through the main entrance. We're to the right hand side, and the master bedroom is to the front of the home. Huge bedroom. It's quite a large house. It's over 280 square metres under roof. Split system air conditioning. His and her walk-in robe. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. Large ensuite. His and her vanity. Okay, and the waste closet is also closed off. All right. Okay, from the master bedroom, we'll walk back out to the main hallway, and to the left-hand side is the garage itself. Double garage with plenty of room to put shelving in if needed. Automatic roller door. And then we come out into the kitchen. Combined dining area. With views out to the quite large entertainment area, all tiled. This is our media room and/or office. Fan, split system air conditioning, security screens on the windows. It has all the switches and plugs needed to plug in all your media utensils, TV and whatnot. Double sliding doors. Okay, the kitchen, it's quite a large kitchen area. Separate laminated island bench top, double bowl stainless steel sink. Pantry, double pantry. We have an electric oven, induction cooktop, I believe. Yes, by the looks of it. Ample cupboard space. Dishwasher. The drawers aren't soft closing. Okay, that's the outdoor area. I'm unable to get out there at the moment. Plenty of room for your Barbie and guests. Or loved ones, of course, when you want to celebrate. Very spacious home. Separate lounge area. It's quite large as well, the lounge area. Plenty of natural lighting in this property. A larger split system air conditioning for this size space. This is to the rear of the property. Now the block is around over 640 square metres, I believe, from memory. So the home takes up most of the block. You probably could put a small plunge pool in outside there if you wanted to. Very large lounge room, I must admit, very large. Back through the kitchen, down the side hallway now. as much linen cupboard space as you would ever need. We turn left. This is behind the kitchen. We do have a floor plan of the property. Just ask the agent, we'll get it to you. All mirrored built-ins, quite a large bedroom, split system air conditioning, separate laundry with side access as well. Plenty of cupboard space there also. Now to the right, to the end of the home, separate waste closet, another bedroom, fans, security, split system air conditioning, and mirrored built-ins as well. Beautifully finished home. Then we have the main bathroom, separate bath, vanity, beautiful large tiles, and the shower, of course. And down the back of the home now, we have the fourth bedroom, split systems, the fans, mirrored built-ins as well, and fully tiled, easy to keep clean. Fabulous investment property. Sufficient amount of power points in each bedroom. Beautiful home. Still very fresh. Paintwork's in fairly good condition. Couple of little tiny marks that I've noticed, that's about all. Back through, main living area, entertainment area, and then your kitchen. Thank you for coming through 17 Baird Court, Bushland Beach. Have a fabulous day.